Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you that there's free energy lying on your 5 peso coin. You see this? 5 peso coin. What you will need is first a 5 peso coin, a foil, a washer that you can buy from hardwares, and a vinegar. Yeah, that's a vinegar, don't worry. First thing you will do, stack the washer on the foil. Then put some cardboard on it so the electricity won't flow, and you stack the 5 peso coin. And now see the magic. Here's my multimeter. Can you see it? No, it's too dark, but yeah, you can see it. I will put the positive sign on top of the coin and the negative one on the foil. Huh. And huh. And you see there's 1.9 volts. Imagine that you can stock up 3 of those. It will create 7.9 volts. Wow. Electricity on a coin. And that's it. Thank you for watching.